statement is very irresponsible. And he himself exposing that he doesn't know the geographical composition of India. It is a habitual fact that Congress generally doing this type of divide and rule policy amongst the community, you know. How he can say that Northeast we are like, Chinese like, we are from the very beginning part of India, we never belong to China. We are just being an Indian, all the Northeast people are living together and will live together as India. But how he can give such kind of racist comment, and we, from my personal view also, and from as a Northeast people, I highly condemn this type of racist words used by the Congress chairperson of the overseas, and I will consult the legal expert if we can sue against his remark given by the Congress chairman of the overseas.
Okay. There is also another issue that has been going viral because a person belonging to the Kuki tribe is shooting down a cow after there's some burning him at a tree. So how would you react to that? And many of the Hindus of the mainland India has started condemning as such.
I don't like to comment on specific these issues.
Okay.
These type of, inhuman natures. This type of, I want to repeat again, this type of inhuman natures brought instability and uncertainty in the world. So we should more focus on humanity. We should not torture anyone, might be animals, might be human beings. We should not torture. We should focus more on humanity. I have seen the losing of humanity amongst many communities. Just they're thinking about their rights, but they never bother about the others' rights.
Okay. PETA has already raised this issue. And what will be your response to the PETA for raising this issue?
No, I fully support that kind. That is a heinous crime.
Okay.
I should say.
Okay.
Why openly doing this? What he want to show it to the people of the world? What that guy want to show? That is condemnable. I condemn it.
After the thunderstorm, a hailstorm that has destroyed many of the areas of Manipur. So today you have personally, since yesterday you have personally visited the areas and you have listened to the grievances of the public who have the victims of as such. So how is your assessment as per your observation after visiting?
Very unfortunate, just due to the hailstorm. Therefore yesterday, around 16,000, I think may increase. Now our deputy commissioner are surveying, and already survey report has come, and as of today, we got around 16,000 houses has been used, partly or fully. But yes, after the assessment, the deputy commissioner, the state government through deputy commissioner, we are going to provide CGI seat for immediate relief. And the deputy commissioner has already started providing essential commodities like oils, and rice, and around 50 relief camp has already opened. And here, I'm coming here in the Kairao. Here also 2 relief camp, and hundreds of people are living here. And the immediate solution is to provide the CGI seat and to repair the houses, and then they will be back.